You gave me the chance to speak.
Yeah, but you see, getting upset and talking back to me like this is even out of order. Calm down.
No, it's not out of order.
Calm.
You
Kwesi,
gave me the chance to speak.
Calm down.
Kwame,
Boko.
Boko.
Kwesi, ubag ne catapult.
Enti that's so break man not hunse nsem no a rerun no ne Kwesi ye the free mobile ye hwi bi me bi koda hospital. Aha. I like media Ghana. Se ne di kan hwe so be subscribe be like na o comment nso ato no wa share ma foforo nso enya bi ahwe. Aya break man not rerun na ekọ ya eye na na akua free edi ntwo ema Ewurabena Oben ebedi enkane no ye na na akua free nya 33,881 votes na Ewurabena nso enya 34,090 votes as NDC edi nkunimu ene na Akwesi Pratt of NDC na Nana Komia of MPP omokwa clash ye ewo Peace FM Kwame Sefa Kayi egi the Komia so starting the juma and then 2 days yes then 2 days near what they say oguso a wo bo adwuma ko leave kakra no waba morning show no they say omoto aso mbo adwuma na nkomodidie mu na oma Nana Komia kwan se won kasa na yenhwemra Nana Komia start se won kasa
na me misa sem ba ku na efimi around say ye share Ablekuma North ekwa free ye sabe obonu modin your share results by she did very well. I mean, Ewurabena Oben Edi Sunkunim, yes, but I mean, say votes to 300 votes difference.
David.
Eti enra anopani Edi Honkomo has said, it be a decision MPP mu take is a monko, a poor judgment, a bad decision. Say be a one yes and anka mudi and one didn't call you from the get go. It be anka munya seat no.
Oh, say any day I drink shrekeke.
Oh, but your share said, yeah, oh, yeah. And I didn't check it out.
Kwame.
Because 24 hours or 48 hours to the vote. Now I must sit for 28 years. She shows this a level of support, say, Ujinani Naswa. I said, decision, I'm fine, by a poor decision.
Oh, Debbie. Kwame, principle is principle.
But principle is principle, no. More principle, you know, can't solve a Kujinano. Mamu party penifon be eco campaign man.
And American say
because maybe they realize that decision I'm offering a poor decision.
But say yeah we knew and we knew.
Yeah we knew. There be mudin kugo. But and yes mudin kugo say nke rebna nya be 50,000 and nana equia nya be 12,000 ka yajimudi. But we 34 33
but principle is principle.
Yeah.
And run a binumo cancer, oh, now queer free coy and cocoa winnie ya.
And come back,
but we need a cross still and kebechenason.
Oh, what is it now?
Principle, Kwame, discipline.
Oh, we need when we knew our pamucho. What more the channel? No, we need soon have a pamucho. And I saw a patch. How do you see all this?
But still, I know about the patch because Kwame, discipline, the who
yeah, I agree with you.
In a big organization, because one will be so much as I say, and I say, Sase Missy, a quick way, and the records must show, say, wa from party. And this who could dink kunimo, one could dink kunimo, wa from party. And two dink kunimo and dink kunimo, I say with Timmy, party with Timmy, and Dembrano, etc. And the principle, they are principle.
Anyway.
Abusia okasa wie ya na ma Kwesi Pratt a oye NDC communicator no o ma ne so onso enkasa na obi na no so okasa no ohonoma okofa eye Hawa Koomson kwan nam so a e ma yobo no okeka se otwi pepper spray e na ma yobo no ho na komia se what nye bei ewo yenhwe DC yemra
ba Kwesi
Master
Machibium.
Yeah.
And come on, no, ya bro be so abedu ba bia yedu. Sebe, Mr. Wadrinche.
Master Pacho, I'm say meshase fi to trust someone is see wo dan no abaya ekotu yen. Nani abaya ekotu yi, eno ma ba ku mienu bi wo ho a. Kese ema yenya nkranhye na yanigye. Master unwo boy wo ho.
Yeah, me wono.
Boy. Decent. Only in this if one kasa fine, almost no problem. I say don't get your call. Only MPP for you kasa fine, no trouble. Who say videos bebree wɔ hɔ a NDC mpanimfoɔ ne NPP mpanimfoɔ no ntukwa bi ani wɔn ntam bibia kama kabe bɛka sɛm bi so metwa san kakra
ɛne ɛtwe san
metwa san kakra na dan na mami wɔ nkoa deɛ baabi ɔbɛkɔ bia trouble adan na nipa ewu ne yɛ prepre bi ne yɛ botuo ne yɛ deɛ adan de tumi papa mu nka okobɔ ikɔ yi onkura pepper spray onkura tuo wankɔbɔ obi asum ɔne obi akɔsesere ɔmudi ɔmo fɛw kama fɛfɛɛfɛ MPP mpanimfoɔ bebree kɔ hɔ a no trouble and so on adan
are maame no yɛ bibi ada
na ko ewunim wa hu pepper spray no wa hu
onti pepper spray nti na mutu ko share ne so no wa hu
me nkasa o pese o kasa
so ye bibi na mbisa se de na oye
o de koye den o
de na oye na o say pepper spray nti what you say
I mean adan it's not acceptable
pepper spray no
what do you say offensive weapon
no just anything now so
mutu share what say offensive weapon
na organizer no so
organizer be ukretu
deputy organizer
ukretu
there be unknown cry here omutu share so mbo na keke
na say masa dia na chance na ejimiko ina chance na ejimiko mob action dia chance na ejimiko
oh but to share video na ehu ya na
na happen he was running away what happened we don't know
he was having a conversation with somebody and then they started beating him
can you say bobia even Hawa no kro spray pepper no kro
no spray pepper into na ebo na minti ase
I think I jump here no go give people evidence
Kwesi we say o spray pepper into na to share no so na pesa beti ase
some person can say can say
enti dem be now see dem be na uti cause na kofa pepper spray by ti me pesa say no na to share no so enti no ti na
no say no na to share no so aka we ogbi ni ampesa me kan na America
Kwesi o kasa no o say adentina ma me no nko a no Kwesi but you must be fair o kasa no o say violence no enye then you zero in on the woman and say aden no nko a aden enye we please aden enye we aden enye kobo aden no nko a so you zero in on her stigmatizing her and I may be so say it jebe no oyeye o tikaswa
why ko botu o kaswa me ko boy
tikaswa to nti ne to share
ni blessam ye kan
tikaswa to nti to share I just want to understand
makasa minkasa
o ko fa asem no ba ne ebisa o se minkasa
say nana ko
kwesi sa e de obeja o ko fa asem no ba ne ebisa o se enu nti a na o se minkasa why go and bring it
twi na America se won ti twi na se a pacho opani ajekum wa obeboa twi na America se won ti ase a opani ajekum wa obeboa ni America ni se ni baba ko fa ko be ko bia trouble adentia meboa
e na me bisa se ho no de no koye wo ho e na o se pepper spray o na ka nya me
na ko ni awuye minim yo
unim den na nim ye den na nim ye
sign interruptions
o ko fa asem no ba na ebisa wa o se nya me na me ka jai enfata jai
ti ha ya wo ka say
jai
den na tan
jai o ko fa asem no ba ebisa wa se e min ka sa o se okotu tu nti sa se tu oni nti na to share no so
wan ka so o se
okotu tu o ka so
o se
he just said it
I started with pepper spray and I will be saying na why na ko tutu o kaswa and I will be say and inti ene ko to share no so ana also on kind sir
okay tu na se because you have tried to find out why is he go to share so o na ko fa bai kwesi sa ni jai enye eta
very important na kumye kasa this will be ye ni onu ye yibi oh no jam pastor it's important o kasa ma kasa na u fi say o kasa no mi ni asem bisa o u fi say o kasa no I didn't have counterparts
o asem video bisa me ye
but ebuo ni edi ma ye hu enti ni etra ha obi
anti yemfa ebuo ma
now your behavior on this program is becoming unacceptable
you are deciding about my behavior
your behavior is becoming
how dare you talk about my behavior
you too
time Kwesi jai You are stigmatizing the woman. Yeah, besides identity, I was on car. No, okay, why is he stigmatizing one person? Time, Kwesi Jai.
Your behavior is
fact. Then you should admit it.
So let him finish.
Then you should admit it. Who say a fact? Then admit it.
Nana, let him finish.
Who say a factor? Then admit it. Admit it. You can't just come and say anything and then when we challenge you, say something cancer. Time, Jai, Kwesi, time. Open your money in Casa. Who's stigmatizing one woman? After every time, say, now we say, I spread it. What kind of analysis? Time, Jai.
That question. Kwame never be that question.
Kwesi, time. Just our line of.
But course what
Jai.
Sasuban born na budi pa na ukasa by heart no. Too much.
Also being boo. I feel also be Yesuban Bonnie. Are you also showing respect?
This is my turn to talk.
Are you also showing respect?
This is my turn to talk. Is this your turn to talk?
Nana, I may say at this point
that is your turn to talk. It doesn't mean you can say anything and get away with it.
You have a chance to rebut later. Why do you interfere? Why do you prevent others from talking?
Interfere. Should I refer you?
Nana, at this point, Kwesi and Kasenri.
Woman, we are sitting on a high horse. Who Kwesi? You are rather sitting on a high horse.
You are misbehaving.
You have no right to pronounce on anybody.
Nana, Kwesi say he is Subamboni.
Yeah, challenging was a Subamboni. We will challenge you. We will challenge you.
Now one more
stigmatizing.
Don't let it descend into.
Are you showing respect to that person?
Nana ni Kwesi. Kwesi.
I've tolerated you.
Kwesi Pratt is sitting on a horse, pronouncing on people.
Yes,
you have no right. You have no right. You are going to person refer to a. You are coming to sit on a high horse here.
What do you want think about yourself? How to talk?
No, because how can I tell you how to talk?
So stop it. I'm just because you have no right to tell me what to say.
Kwesi, you can't intimidate anybody.
I'm not intimidating you. You cannot tell me how to talk.
You cannot. Jai tantrums no Jai. Won't intimidate you be our. You can't.
Mama from
Abusia send it here no we no answer no ma because of the call yenti no ema Kwame Sefa Kayi the morning show host no call off obi enum tum call off send e be obi abetuma calm himself down. Na ometuma toa dwumadi ni so no obaaye no ena Kwame Pratt osabetisi Kwame Sefa Kayi na nkasa so anfa no ho anche no hwenhwe ni isi yamresisi ya.
You gave me the chance to speak.
Yeah, but you see, getting upset and talking back to me like this is even out of order. Calm down.
No, it's not out of order.
Calm.
You
Kwesi,
gave me the chance.
Kwesi, calm down. Boko. Kwesi, ubag the catapult room. It's you there. Kwesi, Nana also. Nana, why unfair to Kwesi? Oh, Kwesi, me say.
Why are you creating the impression as if I've gone?
Oh, Nana, Kwesi, part of my main concern you. Nana.
Yes, sir.
I think also, sir, respectfully, you've been unfair to Kwesi. Why heckle no do there?
Oh, heckling.
Yeah.
Nasa Kwesi all.
Debbie. Nana, yeah.
Okay.
Your chasso.
Okay, Kwesi meja heckling.
Me pacho, moye mpenyin for ni pay tie, Mr.
Oh, meja heckling.
Why heckle no do there? Yeah. Kwesi mpacho so mo akoma mra from kakra.
Oh,
but I okasa na edi ho. Nana kumi oni na na koba. Kwesi. Kwesi. Now, how dare you and who the hell do you think you are? Ni na see yet you.
No.
Enti me pacho so akoma basro.
Kwame wa butre me.
Kwesi dem wa butre bebre.
Also me pacho money kase.
Kwesi pacho wi na me ko panyi so na. Oh.
David Kwesi.
David
Akwesi Mr. Wa. Na
Akwesi wi ma me kase.
David won kase biom. David utimi so nko to sacha.
Ya o kan no ko nya sei na kan.
Ka odi bisi. David ka ba bia odi bisi no. O de 2 sentences scrap
after all this heckling and
Prof, what was said Nana Kumiani Kwesi? Omayama, Obisi a friend Miki from Takrade. Or sim Kwame just 2 days into your show. Nana Kumiani Kwesi Pratt want to send you back to exile. 2 days ago, they want to send you back into exile. Baptism of fire. But no ma,
Obakwesi.
Meti wa futuru media si here.
David on the meme kind say can you say ene aha ena nka odi bisi na bibi na buy nti na they aba no
o se kremo dak na abasa
but odi si wa na say na ekoso no wa mpe of course enisa open sound so but say dey be ya asumdwe bebe nti no o de to aso kakra
asumdwe na dey aba o asumdwe na ba na create here o ye karate black ani obi ametuni na ko achekwa wa ye karate black ani obi ametuni na ko
ntokwa de
there be na say enye ntokwa
se sa mistake ni na kunya nko black belt yes sir
na ko when we say why ya masese no I said, "Uhrenhre ni power dem ha."
Kwame, mami kasai.
Dabi wo dey wo say no musu.
Kosi so waja na
onka so waja amawo. Onka so waja amawo.
Me jama why?
Me.
Okay.
Me na mre ni here media.
Fama be na me.
Dabi. Prof, Pacho Bremna, na komi am say ne wa kwori kraman bi dua na nyekwa.
Kwame.
Yes, Prof.
Also membre mo.
Pacho ai.
Okay.
Abusia sene yetie no nsemi wadwe nkyerɛ wo ho ene sɛn MPP ni NDC ɔdɔ wo mu ntam ana how do you see it ɔdɔ wo mu ntam aso mu kohyia bia no a na aya akasa mu kohyia bia no a na ayɛ ntokwasɛm ɛna how dare you too ɛna what the hell do you think you are na sɛ brofo akɛseɛ ɛna sɛ hwehwe gu hɔ no ma abusia mahu wadwe nkyerɛ comment section ha ayɛ Island Media Ghana.